In this video, we're going to review the enterprise scaled contract analysis feature. Let's start with the problem we're trying to solve. In a larger corporation, it's common for you to be asked to find all contracts where X is the case. So for instance, it might be all contracts that prohibit a change of control, or all contracts with an MFN clause, or it might be all contracts where governing law is New York because you know about a new statute that impacts anything with governing law being New York. Or maybe you're trying to do some analysis and understand what are the fixed contracts versus variable pricing contracts. The issue is that in a typical CLM, only the metadata is stored. And so to go through all of your contracts requires a manual process. With Calidus, this is an automated process. We're able to find all of these types of terms, give you reporting and analytics, and make the process very seamless where it takes hardly any setup time. You'll see in the coming demonstration what the dashboard covers. So we're able to cover a very wide range of important provisions. We can also add others if you find them valuable. Just reach out. And then for each of these areas, let's say pricing structure, for instance, we're able to give you detailed information. Let's show what it looks like in the app. First, you go to the Enterprise Scaled Analysis page. You pick Scaled Contract Analysis and click Begin. Next, you'll upload your contract collection. In my case, I'm going to select all the criteria for data I want to extract. And maybe even you want some more, feel free to reach out. We'll then name the contract collection and we'll hit create. Next, we'll upload files. And in this case, we could work with a DMS or a CLM to be integrated. Or if you just have them all in your file system, we can work with that as well. So I had a lot in one folder and I have a lot in another folder. So I select the first set, I'm clicking upload. I'm going to select the second set. I'm uploading those and now I hit finish. And then Calidus will ingest all of the contracts and load those for you with deeper analysis, which we'll show in a moment. All right, that's done now. So let's take a look at what we can do. First is find answers. Let's see what kind of answers we can get. First, I'm asking about the purchase price in the NovaSync API. And it's correct, it's 3.5 million. And we can see the sources where we show you the excerpts we're pulling from, and we give you the ability to open the file. Let's try a couple more. Next, let's see an assignment clause from a specific contract. Maybe we want to reuse that assignment clause, or maybe we're wondering if this is something we're going to need to edit. And an answer. And so effectively, you can work across your entire contract repository and really have knowledge of everything that you've uploaded. Last question was, what are the core terms of the SOW with NeuralScope? And the AI is able to give a thorough and detailed answer here. All right, next, let's take a look at what else we can do. For a contract summary, we're going to ask what are the different parties that you represent so that we're giving you the answers regarding the proper clients. And then we break into revenue generating and non-revenue generating contracts. You can view all of them. And next, we're going to configure scoring. Now, we know that every different type of contract might have different things that you care about. And so you're only needing to select the clauses that you think are important for us to review in that type of contract, whether it's revenue generating or non-revenue generating. And then we have distinct rules for the revenue generating contracts versus the non-revenue generating contracts, where you're trying to optimize basically oppositely in a lot of cases. Once you've selected that, you just click score all contracts, and Calidus will score the contracts quickly. And now you can view the score results. You can export all your contracts, which we'll do. That's going to give you a nice Excel summary of your contracts. You can view them all, and then you can click through and see information regarding any of the groups. So if we looked at the MSAs, we can see extensive information about each MSA. And this is going to be in Excel format collectively, and it's going to include the scoring as well. Let's load it in Power BI. So let's load a visualized dashboard, which we can provide you. Here, what you'll notice is for all of our contracts, we've split them into different categories. It's a highly interactive dashboard. You can see the effective dates of the contracts, the expiration dates, And then where we're able to solve, as far as an area that CLMs are not able to do today, is the deeper, more granular analysis. So for instance, for pricing structure, let's say that we have a company that's very focused on variable pricing structures for our contracts. Well, we might notice that we have some fixed contracts. Let's take a look there at the fixed contracts. Now we're able to see the pricing clauses and the file names for each of those. We can verify the AI's accuracy, which it's fully correct. And we get more insights throughout by understanding what pricing models, specifically not just pricing type, but models are used in each of the contracts. And then we have the same type of information for many other clauses, for about 25 total clauses, whether it's escalator clauses or payment terms from an AP perspective, or most favored nation pricing clauses, and much more. We have several tabs of information at your fingertips where it's fully interactive. The goal would be that this gives you the reporting and analytics needed to help you run your business effectively and really get that high level view that then you can dig into in a granular way to work and optimize your business. Thanks for watching.